My name is Steve. Welcome back to Shark River Machine. In this video, I'm going to be finishing up the assembly of the tab and slot welding table from weldtables.com. I had this table custom made. It's a 30-inch by 30-inch. There was a small upcharge for the custom size, but I'm very pleased with the outcome, and it's going to fit in the shop just great. I want to thank all my new subscribers and all of my subscribers and my new subscribers. I really appreciate it. It keeps me coming out in the shop and getting some of these projects completed. I'm zeroing in on 200 subscribers. That was one of my goals, and once I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to have a special video out. Watch for it. If you want to see it a little quicker, subscribe to the video, and as soon as I hit 200, I'm going to have this special one. So thanks for watching. Now we'll get started on the final assembly of the base for the welding table. I decided on this table that I wanted to use leveling feet. I had gotten these leveling feet from McMaster Carr. I think they're good for like 250 pounds each, but they have a 3/8 stud on them. So I have 3/8 nuts, and I came up with some 3/8 screws that have a tapered head, and I'm able to, the nice thing about it is, because of the tapered head on the bolt or screw, whatever you want to call it, it centers the nut. So I've got one clamped up. I'm going to weld the nut to this base plate, which will then get welded into the end of the leg. Okay, these units get placed inside the end of the leg and then spot welded in place. Okay, according to the instructions from Weld Tables, put these on. They don't usually slide all the way down, but it slid all the way down to the top. Now I take and drive them down to make sure they're bottom. Okay, now it's time to weld them in place. I'm going to put a cross brace in there to hang clamps on. So I'm going to tack it in place. And now I'm going to weld it in permanently. Well, I've got it all welded together now. I'm going to put the leveling feet on it and turn it over, put it on the floor. Now there's the fully assembled welding table. I've got most of my C-clamps on the rack that I welded in place. All that's left to do now, I'm going to cut out a shelf for the bottom, as I have some toolboxes that I'm going to be putting under it, all non-flammable stuff. So that's just about it. I'm going to take another shot of it with the top that I made for it. Since I do a fair amount of woodworking, I had a piece of maple butcher block, so I cut a top out of that I can leave on top of the welding table when it's not being used as a welding table. So that pretty much wraps it up. Now all I've got left to do is to do my last major reorganization of the shop so that I can fit it in. It will replace the old wooden table that I've been working on. So thank you for watching, and tune in to my next video.